carbohydrate loading. On the day, 2 to 4 hours before sport performance, eat a carbohydrate-rich meal. This tops up glycogen store. Higher glycogen stores means increased performance levels. The advantages of this one is that it's rather cheap, it's legal, and there is a longer endurance capability of the muscles. The disadvantages are potential of gaining weight, and there's a chance of hypoglycemia, which means low blood sugar levels.
Fluid intake. We need fluid for our energy stores and to keep the temperature in our body down, because dehydration leads to a loss in performance levels. Before performance, hypertonic drinks such as water should be taken. These have a lower concentration of salt and sugar than in the body. During performance, isotonic drinks should be taken, and these have a similar concentration of salt and sugar as the human body. And after exercise, hypertonic drinks such as Coke should be taken in order to replace the sugars and salts lost. This would benefit any sport. Advantages are that it's another cheap method, it's easy to get hold of, but disadvantage would be that you need the good knowledge of the drinks, like we do, in order to benefit fully.
Blood doping. This increases the volume of red blood cells. To do this, you must remove the blood 4 to 6 weeks before the event. The body replaces the blood that is lost. The original cells are then injected back into the body on the day of the event. The advantage of this is that it allows more oxygen to be available to the working muscles during the exercise, but the disadvantage is that it is illegal and you could get banned.
Creatine supplements. These are made up of amino acids which are found in the liver and kidneys, and they come in the form of tablets. These regulate the ATP system and increase the creatine phosphate stores in the muscles. These are extremely beneficial to high intensity sports. However, if you're not participating in high volume activities, it can be stored as non-lean mass, which is fat other than muscle.
Human growth hormone. This is produced naturally in the body to aid growth and development. However, it can also be produced synthetically and used as a substitute to anabolic steroids. The sports performers that this benefits are bodybuilders. The advantage of this is that it increases muscle mass, but the disadvantage is that it is illegal in many sports.
Gene doping. This is where an athlete can alter their genes in order to get the desired characteristics which they want. This would benefit all sports, and an example could be that Callum wants to be a weightlifter, but doesn't have the desired genes in order to be a successful one. As a result, Callum may alter his genes through gene doping in order to be a successful weightlifter who is very, very strong. The advantages of this method is that it's useful for predicting trainability. However, a disadvantage is once you've started gene production, you cannot shut it off when you want to.